In this video, we shall be talking about the inverse of matrix. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. First, what is the inverse of a matrix? The inverse of a matrix is denoted as this, and it is the matrix when multiplied by A will yield an identity matrix. So this is an identity matrix, identity matrix. A here is the inverse of the matrix. While here A is the given matrix, the matrix. So the inverse of a matrix is that matrix when multiplied by A will yield an identity matrix. In our subsequent videos, we'll now discuss some examples like the 2 by 2, the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix and the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix and how they can be computed.